Looking for the best doorbells to upgrade your home? You're in the right place. Our channel brings you daily videos with honest insights and top product picks to help you make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video to stay updated with the best in home tech. Number 1. Avantech Wireless Doorbell D 3B Waterproof Chime Kit. Avantech's wireless doorbell prioritizes low power consumption and durability. Powered by a lithium battery, this doorbell can last up to 3 years before it needs a battery change. The exterior is constructed to withstand dust, water, and harsh weather conditions between -4 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Users can easily customize the doorbell's sound by choosing one of 52 chime options. The doorbell's jingle can be played at 5 different levels, with a maximum volume of 115 decibels. The transmitters measure 3.5 by 3.5 inches, and the doorbell measures 3.5 inches by 1.6 inches. The installation process is simple without the need for hardwiring. The doorbell comes with 2 screws and 2 anchors and an adhesive patch for a second installation option. 1,300 feet /400 m wireless range. 2 plug-in receivers included. Enjoy pleasant melodies whenever someone rings at your door. Number 2. Eufy Security Video Doorbell Battery-Powered Kit. The Eufy Video Doorbell features a high-end Sony 2K sensor and professional-grade lens for picture-perfect resolution. The field of view is a 4:3 aspect for a full view outside the front door. This doorbell has dual power options, and users can choose between a wireless installation via the built-in battery or a wired connection to an existing 8 to 24-volt circuit. All data is stored on the device's 168 GB drive, meaning there is no need to pay for cloud storage. This doorbell can withstand severe weather and temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and high as 122 degrees Fahrenheit. If you own an Echo Dot, it can be hooked up to the Eufy doorbell to function as the chime. This doorbell comes with a home base, a charging cable, and installation hardware for a wired connection. The doorbell measures 5.51 by 2.13 by 1.1 inches. Number 3. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired. The Video Doorbell by Arlo is a smart pick that helps protect your home. The built-in camera features a 180-degree view for increased field of vision, as well as a resolution of 1536 HD for sharp images. The camera also has night vision for clear video, even in the dark. This doorbell has a motion sensor that, when triggered, automatically begins recording and sends alerts to the owner's phone. The doorbell body measures 1.8 by 1 by 1.5 inches and has two-way audio capabilities, so users can listen in and respond in real time or with pre-recorded messages. Other noteworthy features include the weatherproof shell, siren alarm system, Alexa-compatible operating system, an option to extend the Arlo Smart subscription after the complimentary 3 months expires. Number 4. Sadotech Waterproof Black Wireless Doorbell and Chime. This waterproof and wireless doorbell by Sadotech is a cost-effective option that doesn't skimp on features. Take your pick from 52 different chimes and 4 volume settings to find the perfect sound. The doorbell is battery-powered and can be mounted using screws and anchors or adhesive tape for easy installation. The wireless range can reach up to 1,000 feet, but can be extended with the purchase of additional receivers. This doorbell can survive in temperatures that range between -4 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes in a variety of colors. This doorbell measures 3.25 by 1.5 by 3.5 inches. Unlike imitation door chimes for home that stop working after months or even days, the Sadotech door chime is the real deal. Featured on QVC, Fox, ABC, NBC, and CBS News, our patented design uses only the highest quality microchips and electronics for long-range wireless and even longer battery life. Number 5. Sakrui Wireless Doorbell. The Sakrui Wireless Doorbell M520 Plus F55 Black offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for home or office entry alerts. It features a 1,000-foot range, 58 selectable chimes, 5 adjustable volume levels, up to 120 dB, and a colorful LED indicator for visual alerts. The doorbell is IP55 waterproof and operates in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward. Plug in the receiver and mount the button using adhesive or screws.